The Rivet Town roller is an inverting ride that will make you feel like a wheel that's rolling over repeatedly. If you are new to my acrobatic channel, just hit the subscribe button for free. This ride is quite short, just 5 minutes of waiting time. The thrill level is number 1, high level, extreme. Then here's the Rivet Town rollers. It looks extreme because you're gonna tumble here like an acrobat. You push the joystick to roll forward. Pull it backward to reverse. You can keep your position relatively stable when you constantly fold the joystick in a certain manner. Like an Airbus 320 who uses joysticks instead of Boeing 737 that uses yoke. Here, you can feel like a superhero or even an astronaut who flows outside the Earth. Okay, the ride is now about to come to a full stop.
Cool ride.
Finally, it has stopped completely.